Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video on our channel Euclid Mathematics. Today in my video we are going to learn previous year questions from Unipune SET 2020 SET B, and question number it is here 40. So we have to find out whether the solution of a differential equation is straight line, hyperbola, parabola or circle. So for that we need to know the equation of a straight line, equation of a hyperbola, equation of parabola and circle. Now we have to find out first of all the differential equation, solution of our differential equation. Now let's go for the solution of a differential equation. So here equation is given x dy minus y dx which is equal to 0. So we can solve it further the way x dy which is equal to y dx. So transfer it to the other side. Okay. Now take the similar variable with their differentiations. So transfer y here 1 upon y dy which is equal to 1 upon x dx. Apply integration to the both sides. So integration of 1 upon y dy which is equal to integration of 1 upon x dx, and find out the integration. So 1 upon y has integration log y. So log y which is equal to 1 upon x which is a log x. Integration of 1 upon x is a log x plus add constant as a log c. So apply rule for log y which is equal to log a plus b means log of a into b. That means log of x into c. So apply exponential to both sides, then log will get cancelled. So y which is equal to remaining term y which is equal to xc. For better understanding, we add it is here 0 because we know that the equation of a straight line it represents y which is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of straight line. This is the equation of a straight line, y which is equal to mx plus c as a constant 0. Okay? So our option number A, which is a straight line, which is the true. Here our option number A, y is equal to mx plus c is the straight line, which is true. Thank you everyone.